What are some of the biggest myths about quality assurance? Want to know how to streamline your GraphQL service testing? And can you use a no-code approach to help with performance testing? Find out in this episode of the Test Skill News Show for the week of July 14th. So grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea and let's do this. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our Test Guild LinkedIn Newsshow newsletter that I'll have a link for down below to never miss another episode. First up is all about QA myth busting. So this post by Vitali on Case.io addresses common myths about quality assurance. And one of the myths they go over is to emphasize that quality can indeed be measured. This article highlights various metrics and methods for evaluating software quality, including defect density, test coverage, and customer satisfaction scores. By debunking the myth that quality is purely subjective, this article aims to encourage teams to adopt measurable practices to enhance their software testing processes and outcomes. So what metrics are you using? Does implementing measurable metrics such as a defect density or test coverage in your QA process help you gain a clearer understanding of your software quality and identify areas of improvement? Let me know what metrics you use to measure quality down below. So I'm sure we talk a lot about AI, that you've probably experimented with it yourself. I'm just curious to know as well as if it's helped you with your coding. So in this article, AI changed my coding style. Jason goes over how AI tools such as code generators and automated suggestions have significantly improved his efficiency and accuracy in writing code. Jason also emphasized that these tools not only speed up the coding process, but also help him to identify and fix errors earlier, leading to more reliable and robust software development. So if you haven't already started experimenting yourself with AI, try it yourself to see if leveraging AI-powered code generators and automated suggestions can help you to streamline your workflow, if it helps you reduce errors, and also if it helps you improve the overall reliability of your software applications under test. Check it out for yourself, and you can find the link for this in the comments down below. All right, I'm always on the lookout for real-world case studies and how companies are successful with tools or techniques, and here's one case study. This is by Trivago's latest blog post, which highlights their efforts for streamlining GraphQL service testing with Karate framework. And this is written by Armin and Giuseppe, and their team faced challenges with maintaining and scaling GraphQL services and found that Karate to be a robust solution. Why? Well, they go over how Karate's intuitive syntax and powerful features allow their developers to write effective tests quickly, enhancing the efficiency of the testing process. And by integrating Karate into their pipeline, they achieved improved test coverage and faster feedback loops, leading to more reliable and scalable GraphQL services. I've heard a lot about Karate, and it's great to see how it's used in the real world for people to be more successful with their testing. So rather than create your own framework, I've seen teams adopting an existing framework like Karate can significantly enhance your efficiency and reliability of your testing process and save a bunch of time rather than you having to create something from scratch, especially for testing complex things like APIs like GraphQL. Try it for yourself in the links down below. What does AI and chess have to do with testing and automation? Well, let's find out. This article by Chris Rolls explores the impact of AI in chess and draws parallels to quality engineering. In this article, Chris notes that AI has transformed chess, making high-level strategies accessible to players of all levels, and he suggests that transformations can also offer valuable lessons for quality engineering and software testing. And he gives some examples like AI in chess provides continuous learning and improvement, similar to how AI can enhance software testing processes. Chris also emphasized that just as AI assists chess players, it can support quality engineers by automating routine tasks, identifying patterns, and predicting issues. And just like chess, software testers should embrace AI tools to improve their testing strategies, allowing them to focus on more complex, judgment-based tasks. So, integrating AI into your testing process can lead to more accurate and efficient testing cycles, but try it for yourself. Start by automating mundane tasks and gradually start leveraging AI for predictive analysis to help you stay ahead of any potential issues and make sure you're aware of what it can help with and what it can't. And to learn more about this full article, you can find it in the links down below. All right, I don't know if you know this, but I actually started my career mostly as a performance engineer, so I get really excited about certain announcements, and Gatling is one of them. They've been on a roll. I announced a new JavaScript feature that they rolled out a few weeks ago, and they just announced a newer feature that I think you're going to be really excited about as well. So Stefan posted on LinkedIn how Gatling has introduced enhanced no-coding testing capabilities to their latest update. And in this article by Sean, he breaks down the new features are aimed at making performance testing more accessible by allowing users to create and execute tests without needing to write code. And this update also includes a user-friendly interface and pre-configured testing scenarios designed to help testers and developers quickly set up and run performance tests. And Gatling's goal is to help simplify the performance testing process, making it easier for teams to ensure the reliability and performance of their applications, which is more important now than ever. We talk a lot about no-code tools for functional tests, but this is one of the first I've seen around performance testing. So it's exciting because, in theory, no-coding testing tools should significantly lower the barrier of entry for performance testing, allowing more team members to participate in ensuring performance of their applications, which I think is lacking on certain teams. So check it out for yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. All right, I came across a new tool I haven't heard of before around DevOps I think you should know more about. And this is how Venue.sh has launched a new tool catalog aimed at simplifying DevOps processes. And the platform offers a comprehensive collection of tools designed to streamline workflows and enhance productivity for development and operations teams. I never heard about it before, but Venue.sh's catalog includes various categories such as CI/CD, monitoring, and infrastructure management, allowing users to find and integrate the best tools for their specific needs. And this launch intends to address common challenges in DevOps in providing a centralized resource for discovering and utilizing effective tools. So if you're looking for an easier way to access a variety of essential tools, check this out for your DevOps processes and let me know your thoughts. Next up is a Follow the Money segment. So Tracebit has announced the successful completion of their seed funding round, raising $5 million. And this funding will support the development and expansion of their software testing solution. I haven't heard of Tracebit before, but they focus on providing advanced testing tools that help developers and testers ensure the quality and reliability of their software. For example, they focus on detecting and containing security incidents, aiming to reduce the global mean time to response from months to minutes. Another cool feature is they deploy canaries as anomalies, making it difficult for intruders to evade detection and enhance security measures. And this approach supports the assumed breach model that is designed to be easy to understand and deploy, providing actionable alerts and improve intrusion detection and impede threats. And the influx of funds into Tracebit indicates to me a growing recognition of the importance of advanced security testing in the software development lifecycle and pipeline that you need to know more about. All right, that's it. It's been a slow week for news. For links of everything of value we covered in this news episode, head on over to links in that first comment down below. Once again, I'm Joe, and my mission is to help you succeed in creating end-to-end full-stack pipeline automation awesomeness. As always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.